In today's video, I'm going to teach you, here's how to organize your Notion notes. By the end, you'll have a clean, easy to navigate notes page that helps you find what you need quickly and jot down information without clutter. First, head to the Notion website in your browser. Give the page a moment to load so everything is ready. You should see your workspace with your pages on the left. Keep your focus on the page where your notes live. That's the space we'll tidy up and turn into a simple, reliable system. Open your notes page. If it's long or a little chaotic, that's perfectly normal. The goal isn't to rebuild anything, it's simply to bring structure to what you already have, so your ideas and information are easier to work with. Now, inside your notes, make sure everything is categorized. Think about the main themes that naturally appear in your notes, like work, personal, ideas, research, or resources. Use those themes to guide your structure. Add new sections where you see a clear theme emerging and rename any existing sections that feel vague or confusing. Clear, straightforward names help you immediately know what belongs where. If a section's purpose isn't obvious at a glance, tweak the title until it is. Short, consistent section names are your friend. As you go, scan your notes and drop each item under the section that fits best. If you notice a note that doesn't quite belong anywhere, decide whether it needs a new section or if it's closely related to something that already exists. Keep your categories broad enough to catch similar notes, but not so broad that everything blends together. A helpful approach is to include a simple one-line description under a section header to remind you what belongs there. That tiny bit of context can save you time later. Make sure it's consistent and easy to navigate. Do a quick pass from top to bottom and check that every note sits under the right section. Section names use the same style, and there are no duplicate or orphaned notes. Read your section titles like a table of contents. If someone else could understand your structure without explanation, you're on the right track. When in doubt, simplify a name rather than making it clever. That's it. You've opened the Notion website, opened your notes page, and organized everything by adding new sections where needed and renaming existing ones for clarity. Keep refining as your notes grow, and your page will stay tidy and useful every time you return.